Hi everyone, I'm a PhD candidate and also a CMO of the consulting company.
Hi, I'm Tang Makaporn from Thailand. Right now I am a professional doctor and also influencer.
Hello, I'm Pimpim. I'm from Koh Tao, Thailand, and now I'm running two hostels in Koh Tao.
In my work, we do international wellness center, so have a lot of people come around the world, and I want to practice English. I want to try to speak with a native speaker. And in another way I do seems like a media platforms. I want to change myself not only in Thai influencer. I want to be the international influencer too.
I want to improve my English in the business level, and from the day one until the last day that I joined the class, I think my English in the business field is really getting better. And for in the future, if I have any chance to work with other people for my future investor, I think it's really useful.
Yeah, I do recommend you to join here because everybody is nice, the teacher, the staff, everybody is kind and help each other, and I'm very happy to be here.
100%. I will recommend to all my friends, and now my friend already asked me about this, so maybe see you guys in a few months.
Definitely yes. I will do a review for you too. Yeah, on my social platform, because I think English language is not a subject. It seems like a life skill, and you have to learn, you have to try, and you will open the world.